everybody. So today the part for the Honda Pilot has arrived. It's the S-VCM. Here it is right here, packaged in this gold packaging from S-VCM Corporations. Let's open it up, see what we got out of the package. Comes this right here. It's all packaged up, comes with instructions and your S-VCM controller. And then if need be, here's the instruction manual on how to install it. Should just be plug and play. So as it states, the S-VCM controller intervenes when the engine is not overheated. If the engine overheats when you are driving, S-VCM controller will bypass itself to let the true coolant temperature show on driver's dashboard so you can be alerted. The onboard computer will also get true signal readings from the coolant temperature sensor. You should pull over safely and stop the car if that occurs. Once the S-VCM controller detects that engine coolant has cooled down enough to a safe temperature, after you restart the car, it will resume deactivating VCM. Basically all you're doing is sticking a screwdriver in there where this tab is at, and you give it a quarter turn to the left and it should pop open like that. The coolant sensor number 1, which is this one right here. This one that I'm touching, you just follow this coolant hose to right here, and that's your coolant sensor number 1, and you want to unplug that. Alright, I got the tab off right here. So basically you just press onto this clip right here, push it down, and you pull out, and it should come right out. And then what you want to do is grab your S-VCM controller, which is right here. It comes with zip ties. A relay fuse, which is 2 amps. So you take your female connector here, and then you grab the male end of this and you connect it in, and it should just clip right in like so. Don't force it in. And then this other female end goes into your coolant sensor number 1, the one that you just took it out of. So as you can see here, we have this one, the female with the new male, and then the other the female that came with the S-VCM controller, where it'll go onto the male, which is your coolant sensor. So you can see what I did. Basically I just zip tie these connectors onto the original harness, which comes out of here, the one on the right, and then plugged it in, and then I ran this other wire that goes onto your positive terminal, zip tied it there, zip tie the relay here onto that, and I fed the wire through this little clip. I ran the wire through here, took off this 10mm nut, and then slid on top, and it secured it back down. Install your engine cover back on, and then you clip it in. You'll feel it secure onto the hole that's supposed to be in, and it clips in place. And then in the instruction manual, it also states that in some cases the check engine and or VSA warning may light up on the dashboard after installing the controller. You can either clear them if you know how to and are sure that that is the only cause, or simply drive it for a few days and they should disappear. Alright guys, so just an update. I did take the vehicle out on a trip because I had to go out of town. It's about 60 miles one way. After the installation and driving the vehicle out of town and back, there's no negative feedback that I have. The car performs just like it should. It's like you don't even notice that it's there or that I installed a part into it. So that's a positive. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. For those that are looking into doing this for their 2nd gen Honda Pilot, I highly recommend you guys to do it. You'll just be saving the wear and tear on your engine in the long run. And if you're planning to keep the vehicle for long term, I highly suggest this installation. And until next time, you guys.